Unveiling the dark side of Willy Wonka's world, it appears the golden ticket wasn't merely a pass to a world of pure imagination. Investigations suggest it was part of a larger scam, masterminded by Wonka himself to serve his hidden agendas. The allure of the golden ticket concealed a sinister truth far beyond the joy of visiting a chocolate factory. It's believed that these tickets were the cornerstone of a deceptive plot, with Wonka manipulating public attention away from questionable activities within his factory walls. The hidden agenda behind the seemingly innocent golden ticket giveaway was ingeniously crafted. Wonka, a figure of whimsy and wonder, might have orchestrated this entire event to escape legal scrutiny, drawing the world's eyes to the spectacle and away from the shadows. With each golden ticket found, the public's fascination grew, unknowingly participating in a scheme that had dark undertones. These tickets, symbols of childhood dreams, may have actually facilitated crimes hidden in plain sight, under the guise of wonder and excitement. The disturbing reality that lurks behind the enchanting tour of Willy Wonka's chocolate factory begins to surface. The golden tickets, once thought of as keys to a dream, might have been the locks on a door to a much darker world. Unwrapping the truth, the golden ticket's role in Wonka's scheme reveals a darker purpose behind the seemingly whimsical contest. The tickets served as a clever distraction, masking the factory's unethical practices and the exploitation of its workers under the guise of a dream come true. From sweet to sinister, the dark twist in Willy Wonka's golden opportunity exposes how the chocolate magnate manipulated public perception. The allure of the golden tickets diverted attention from Wonka's questionable ethics, making society complicit in his deeds through their silent endorsement. The illusion of innocence. How Wonka's golden ticket fooled the world delves into the manipulation of innocence. Wonka's marketing genius turned a blind eye to the dire consequences faced by the contest winners, showcasing his ability to deceive the public and escape scrutiny. The golden ticket to deception. Uncovering Willy Wonka's criminal acts uncovers the layers of deceit behind the confectionery empire. The tickets were not just a path to wonder, but a smokescreen for Wonka's darker operations, hidden from the law and public eye. A ticket to trouble. The hidden darkness of Willy Wonka's contest reflects on the grim realities faced by the children and their families. Far from a mere game, the contest was a calculated move by Wonka to further his own interests, revealing the sinister depths of his ambition. The golden ticket, a symbol of childhood wonder, harbored a darker purpose in Willy Wonka's grand design. Far from a mere entry pass to a world of sweets, it served as a clever distraction from Wonka's questionable activities. Concealed behind the allure of chocolate rivers and everlasting gobstoppers, the ticket facilitated a scheme that ensured Wonka's misdeeds went unnoticed by the outside world. As winners toured the factory, marveling at its wonders, they remained oblivious to the reality behind the confectionery curtain. The golden ticket's role in Wonka's crimes was ingeniously masked by the spectacle of innovation and fantasy. This distraction allowed Wonka to manipulate public perception, portraying himself as a benevolent chocolatier rather than the schemer he truly was. The chocolate factory, with its enchanting facade, held secrets that the golden ticket inadvertently helped conceal. The ticket lured inquisitive minds away from probing too deeply into the factory's operations, ensuring Wonka's dark secrets remained undiscovered. Its sweet exterior belied the bitter truth of exploitation and ethical breaches hidden within. Wonka's master plan, facilitated by the golden ticket, was a testament to his cunning. The ticket wasn't just a gateway to dreams for the lucky few. It was a strategic tool in preserving Wonka's empire, free from legal or public scrutiny. It exemplified how a facade of innocence can mask a multitude of sins. Unearthing the scandal tied to the golden ticket reveals the depth of Wonka's deception. What was once celebrated as a ticket to happiness was, in truth, a contributor to Wonka's offenses. The bittersweet reality behind the golden ticket challenges us to question the motives hidden in plain sight. Beyond the golden gates of Willy Wonka's chocolate empire lies a sinister truth, cleverly veiled by the allure of golden tickets. These tickets, once symbols of unimaginable dreams and desires, have now been revealed as tools in a dark, elaborate scheme. Wonka's masterful deception didn't just captivate the world's imagination, it served as a smokescreen for activities far removed from the innocence and joy the public associated with his chocolate factory. The golden tickets, rather than being mere passes to a world of wonders, were in fact components of a larger, more nefarious plot. The ticket that tricked them all stands as a testament to Willy Wonka's cunning. By orchestrating a contest that captured global attention, he cleverly diverted eyes from the questionable ethics of his operations. The excitement and mystery surrounding the golden tickets made everyone overlook the darker aspects of his empire. As investigations delve deeper, the role of the golden ticket in a larger scheme of deceit becomes increasingly apparent. It's not just about the select few who won entry into the factory, but about how Wonka used this to manipulate public perception, ensuring his questionable practices remained unquestioned. The revelation of the dark chocolate deception throws a shadow over what was once considered a magical journey into Willy Wonka's world. The golden tickets, once dreamt of by children and adults alike, now serve as a stark reminder of the ease with which innocence can be exploited for darker purposes. Willy Wonka's golden ticket, a symbol of childhood dreams and sugary fantasies, harbors a darker truth beneath its glistening facade. What was once believed to be a ticket to happiness and endless sweets morphs into a portal of deception and veiled nightmares. Unbeknownst to the world, these golden invitations served not only as a clever marketing ploy, but also concealed the grim realities of Wonka's empire, turning a whimsical fantasy into a chilling tale of ambition gone awry. The transformation of Willy Wonka's golden ticket from a gateway to wonder into a harbinger of hidden felonies illuminates the fine line between innocence and culpability. As the enchanting allure of the chocolate factory's gates gives way to the sinister undertones of exploitation and unethical practices, the once celebrated contest reveals its true colors. This dramatic shift from fantasy to felony unveils not just a story of confectionery delights, but a cautionary tale of the consequences when greed and secrecy overshadow whimsy and wonder.